Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by powering the Honeywell scanner and choosing the right interface for your host. This matters because USB HID behaves like a keyboard, while USB serial uses COM ports. Once powered, make sure the host recognizes the device, then scan the manufacturer's default configuration barcode to reset settings. This gives you a known starting point. If using Bluetooth, enter pairing mode now and complete pairing on the host. After that, verify an initial test scan, reads into a text editor to confirm basic connectivity. Once done with basics, you configure which barcodes the scanner decodes and how it sends data. Enable the specific symbologies you need, for example, code 128 for shipping labels and QR for mobile coupons, so the scanner ignores irrelevant codes and speeds decoding. Then set data formatting, add a prefix or suffix, remove unwanted characters, and define delimiters to match your application. Make sure to set scan mode and feedback so users know a successful read occurred. Finally, test against real labels You finish by validating the setup with multiple real-world scans. Do at least 10 samples across label types to ensure consistent reads and correct data formatting. Once satisfied, save the configuration to the scanner's permanent memory, and if needed, update firmware to fix bugs or add features. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Rescan the default reset barcode, check cables or Bluetooth pairing, and restart the host. This usually clears communication or configuration issues and gets you back to scanning quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.